Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Automating data validation and verification. Automating data validation and verification is a critical component in the data engineering lifecycle, especially in the context of data ingestion using generative AI. As data ingestion forms the backbone of any data-driven process, ensuring the integrity, accuracy, and consistency of incoming data is paramount. To achieve this, professionals can leverage a combination of advanced tools, frameworks, and AI-driven techniques to automate these processes, thus enhancing efficiency and reducing human error. Data validation and verification involve checking the correctness and quality of data before it is processed and used for analytics. Validation is the process of checking data for correctness and completeness, ensuring that it conforms to predefined rules and formats. Verification, on the other hand, involves cross-checking data to ensure it matches with source data or meets specific criteria. When these processes are automated, they allow for faster data processing, reduced manual intervention, and improved data quality. One of the key tools for automating data validation and verification is Apache Kafka, an open-source platform designed for building real-time data pipelines and streaming applications. Kafka can be integrated with a schema registry, which allows engineers to enforce schemas on the data being ingested. By defining strict schemas, Kafka ensures that only data conforming to these schemas is processed, thus automating the validation process to a significant extent. In addition to Kafka, Apache NiFi is another powerful tool that can be used to automate data validation and verification. NiFi provides a user-friendly interface to design data flows and comes with a wide range of processors that can be configured to validate and verify data as it moves through the pipeline. For instance, the validate record processor in NiFi can be used to enforce schema validation on incoming data, ensuring that only valid data passes through. Moreover, NiFi's route on attribute processor can be configured to route data to different destinations based on its attributes, allowing for custom verification logic to be implemented dynamically. In recent years, GenAI models such as GPT-3 have been increasingly used to automate data validation and verification tasks. These models can be trained to understand the context of the data and apply complex validation rules that are difficult to encode using traditional programming methods. For example, a GenAI model can be trained to validate natural language inputs by checking for grammatical correctness, contextual relevance, and semantic coherence. This capability is particularly useful in applications where data comes from unstructured sources, such as social media feeds or customer reviews. One practical application of GenAI in data validation is in the healthcare industry, where patient data needs to be accurate and consistent. A case study involving the use of GenAI for automating the validation of electronic health records demonstrated significant improvements in data quality. By training a GenAI model on historical EHR data, the healthcare provider was able to automate the detection of inconsistencies in patient records, such as mismatches in medication dosages or conflicting diagnosis codes. This not only reduced the workload on healthcare professionals, but also improved patient safety by ensuring that accurate data was used in clinical decision-making processes. Another significant aspect of automating data validation and verification is the use of data profiling tools. Data profiling involves analyzing data to understand its structure, content, and quality. Tools like Talend and Informatica Data Quality provide robust data profiling capabilities that can automatically generate data quality reports. These reports can highlight anomalies, missing values, or outliers that need to be addressed before data is ingested into a system. By integrating these tools into the data ingestion pipeline, engineers can automatically validate data against expected norms and metrics, ensuring that only high-quality data is ingested. Furthermore, The integration of machine learning algorithms into the data validation and verification process offers another layer of automation and intelligence. Supervised learning models can be trained on labeled datasets to classify data as valid or invalid based on historical patterns. These models can then be deployed as part of the data ingestion process to automatically flag potential issues, enabling real-time validation and verification. For example, a financial institution might use a machine learning model to verify transaction data by identifying patterns indicative of fraudulent activity, thus preventing fraudulent transactions from being processed. Despite the benefits, automating data validation and verification using GenAI and other tools is not without challenges. One key challenge is ensuring the robustness and reliability of the automation processes. Data is inherently diverse and dynamic, and validation rules that are too rigid might lead to false negatives, where valid data is incorrectly flagged as invalid. Conversely, rules that are too lenient may allow erroneous data to pass through. Thus, a balance must be struck, and continuous monitoring and refinement of validation rules are essential to maintaining data quality. Additionally, there are ethical considerations when using AI-driven techniques for data validation. AI models can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in the training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Therefore, it is crucial to ensure that AI models used in data validation are trained on diverse and representative datasets, and that their predictions are regularly audited for bias and fairness. In conclusion, automating data validation and verification is a critical step in the data ingestion process, especially in the context of GenAI for data engineering. By leveraging tools such as Apache Kafka, Apache NiFi, and advanced GenAI models, data engineers can streamline these processes, ensuring that only high-quality data is ingested into systems. The integration of data profiling tools and machine learning algorithms further enhances the automation process, providing real-time validation capabilities. However, it is essential to continuously monitor and refine these automated processes to address challenges such as rule rigidity and AI bias. By doing so, organizations can achieve greater data integrity, accuracy, and efficiency, ultimately driving better decision-making and business outcomes. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UXL, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.